Hello, and welcome back to Quantal U, episode 16. I'm Dr. Elisa Peavy, and today we're meeting with a physician assistant by trade who, through her own personal journey, came to realize that her gifts and purpose were more in line with the unseen, the mystic, and the spiritual. Having worked with many mentors, including multiple physicians and others, Melissa has developed her own personal niche that encompasses both neuro-emotional work, in addition to helping others work through their spiritual processes by connecting them back to themselves. By definition, the neuro-emotional technique, or NET for short, is a mind-body methodology that restores balance to unresolved physical and behavioral patterns due to our stress-related responses. Developed in the late 1970s, the goal for this technique was not to cure the patient, but rather remove the emotional blocks that may aid in the ability of the body to repair itself naturally. When a stress response is sent throughout the body, neuropeptides are released from the neurons and attached to the other neurons. Throughout the body, these neuropeptides are the emotional memory that is stored in our bodies that often leads to headaches, body pains, phobias, general anxiety, self-sabotaging behaviors, organ dysfunctions, and many more. In the clinical setting, NET has been shown to help reprogram subconscious beliefs, lessen fears, anxiety, and phobias, as well as decrease overall pain, and can help others target their own limiting belief systems. Melissa has taken this technique in addition to multiple other tools that she's learned along the way, and uses them in combination with her unique gift of connecting with our angelic guides and higher selves. She teaches multiple classes, sharing her gifts with many, and she's a true example of someone who follows her own divine guidance. So take a look.
My name is Melissa Walsh. I'm a physician assistant by training, but I've stepped into my gifting as a spiritual guide and energy medicine practitioner. But essentially, I help people connect with their higher self and who they really are at the core. I help them connect with that inner compass, that piece of them that only they know. I feel like there's so much around us trying to tell us what to do next, or who we are, who we should be, or maybe in our past we've been told who we ought to be or what we should be doing, when really it may not be the best thing for us. And the only place that we can find that answer is within ourselves. So essentially, I help people connect with that piece of them. I think it's just part of life to feel disconnected. I feel like we come here almost like with this blank slate. We forgot everything, and now we have to learn things. And through experiences in life, we learn and grow, and the trials and tribulations and challenges sometimes can make us feel like we're disconnected. The stressors of life, the grief in life. And what I've noticed with people is oftentimes it takes, not always, but a lot of the patients I see, or even the clients I see, they're at the low. I've kind of made it a joke that I'm the last resort, and I've accepted the fact that I'm always the last resort, especially now that I've